Scots, it's Friday. You know me, I'm Lee. And here's my partner in crime for today.
Hey, I'm Ian, and we have some PSA for you today.
What does PSA stand for, Ian?
Well, PSA stands for Public Service Announcements.
And why are PSAs important?
PSAs try to raise awareness about an issue or topic happening around the world or at a location.
Thanks for that information, Ian.
No worries, partner.
Now let's watch some PSAs.
Hello, Scots. Did you know that the California Penal Code 330 PC makes it a crime for engaging in gambling?
Fact 1, declining grades.
Fact 2, habitual money problems.
Fact 3, less time for friends and family.
Fact 4, the temptation to engage in illegal behavior to get money to pay off gambling debts leads to possible jail time.
Fact 5, associations with unsavory characters could make life difficult if they are not paid.
Gambling in schools is especially illegal.
Hi, I'm Elijah Cantu, and some disadvantages to using drugs is that it not only affects you mentally, but it can affect those around you, especially when you love and care for them.
Hi, my name is Kim Garay, and doing drugs can affect your mental and physical health.
Hi, my name is Karen Santana, and using drugs will make you less able to do well in school and sports.
I'm Anthony Romero, and drugs are bad and addictive, and they could push you away from your friends and family.
Hi, I'm Sophia Espinoza, and drugs could be a part of your daily life without even realizing it.
Hi, my name is Felicity. For those who use drugs can become a habit and lead to many more drugs.
Now, let's move on to some announcements.
Rally scheduled today, so your third period will be pretty crazy.
Hey Scots, I'm Danya, and we'll be talking about the rally schedule for today. Group A will be in the buildings of the gym, the office, Building 5, 14, 15, and 16. Group B, the buildings will be 7, 3, 2, 4P, and AG. Group C will be the buildings 11, 12, 8, 16, and 4. Remember, Scots, no backpacks are allowed.
It's going to be a fun day today, Scots, so let's hope we have fun at the rally like last time.
Remember to show some school spirit on the rally.
Now it's time for a quick break.
Welcome back, Scots.
Listen up, freshmen. We have a video just for you.
Hey freshmen, listen up. It's your first time having finals this year, so get ready by attending this event that Link Crew is throwing for you. December 20th, 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Yes, right after school. At the gym. Free cocoa with marshmallows, candy cane, whipped cream, and cookies. Be there. They will be having a special raffle and goodie bags.
Now it's time for sports.
Let's go with the one, the only, Miguel.
Hey Scots, I'm Miguel. Let's talk about some sports events happening next week. This Monday, volleyball award banquet will be at the library at 6:30 p.m. At Tuesday, boys soccer versus Stockdale will be at 3:30 p.m. Girls basketball versus Arvin will be at the gym at 4 p.m. Wednesday, wrestling versus Ridgeview Porterville at the gym will be at 4 p.m. On Thursday will be the boys soccer versus Del Oro Porterville at 3:30 p.m. JV and VAR girls basketball versus North will be at 5:15 p.m. On Friday will be girls soccer pictures at the stadium at 4 p.m. That's it for me. Let's go back with Lee and Ian.
Thank you, Miguel.
Well, that's all we have for today, Scots.
Thank you for watching this show.
And remember to
Plat up.
Thank you for not yelling today.
Plat up!
Cut the cameras.